Planning to explore Cádiz without dragging your luggage around? RadicalStorage offers a simple and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Cádiz using RadicalStorage, a reliable platform with insured storage options. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses, including hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your luggage is secure and insured while you explore. Be cautious of phishing sites. Always use the secure link in the description to access the official RadicalStorage website. Once there, it's easy to find a luggage storage point in Cádiz. Just type Cádiz in the search bar, and you'll see a list of available storage locations across the city. Pick a spot near major attractions or transport hubs. Then, choose your preferred drop-off and pick-up times and proceed with payment. RadicalStorage uses secure online transactions, so you can book with confidence. Once confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the luggage storage point. When you arrive, show the reference to the staff, and they will store your bags securely. Now you can explore Cádiz worry-free, knowing your belongings are safe with RadicalStorage. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.